In this second half 2023 release, we got great enhancements on the speed of the jobs across the module. So if we go to actions for all plans in compensation and we go to company settings as an administrator, we have 3 new checkboxes that we can check and we should check, especially very large organizations, that um, allow us to have sub-jobs for um, different jobs, such as creating worksheets, mass updating worksheets, or generating statements. And these will improve the speed of the jobs exponentially. And so they should be used by pretty much all customers. We recommend using them. Um, we've had issues in the past with large organizations where especially the job that ran during the cycle, the mass update jobs to refresh the compensation screens based on changes that potentially happen on people's profiles took a long time, too long for some organizations, and this has been enhanced here. So definitely recommend checking the box. Another thing that is amazing is for more on the compensation expert side, when building variable pay, we now have the option to trigger employee history jobs for several templates at the same time. There used to be a limitation where when we launched an employee history job, so for example here to retrieve data from Employee Central for specific templates, we could only have one for an entire environment running at the same time. And now we can have two. So we can do an example. So if I were to copy this into a new template, that I would call 2024. And then I could run two at the same time. So that is, in my view, working on this module for the past 10 years, this is incredible. This will save every person working on implementing a new template for variable pay a lot of time. So for example, here I created the new template that we see here. So I'm going to run here an employee history from Employee Central. Okay, this one started. We would see it now in Monitor Compensation Jobs. And before this release, when you were trying to do the same with a different template, and some customers use different variable pay templates for different processes, if we try to do the same thing here from this template, we would get an error message that would say this is not possible. There's already another one running, and now we can. So huge enhancement here.